Hi, I'm Doug here at Global West. I'd like to take a second to talk to you about Caltracs that are used on Ford applications. Now, what I happen to have on the table is a rear shackle system that we manufacture for the Caltrac leaf spring. Now, Caltracs are used in a drag race environment, and they have a solid type mount in the front as part of their kit. But the rear is going to be mounted in either a urethane or a rubber. And what we would like to do is we would like to have that system in the back for the shackles be as stable as what we have up front. So when you're running a solid mount up front and something that can pitch laterally in the rear, it acts like one long torque arm on the forward box. And that's something that we don't want to do. We want to eliminate that lateral movement in the back where the shackle is, so everything stays in a straight line, which will take that load off the front mount. Everything will work smoother, plus we reduce the load in that particular area. Well, this particular shackle system is going to do that. It's a Del-A-Lum bushing system. A Del-A-Lum works on 6 surfaces. We've got inner and outer thrust washers, which are separate from an inner rotating sleeve. So we have 2 surfaces on the sleeve, 1 on the bolt, 1 in the housing, and of course 2 and 2 on our thrust washers for a total of 6. When this assembles together, it's going to look something like this. There's a grease fitting, and there's also a grease fitting that goes in your frame, which mounts up here, and we furnish that in the kit. When it's all assembled, and you can see how this goes together, and we'll tell you how to set the preload on this. This will allow the spring to operate in a straight up and down application with no bind, and it eliminates that lateral movement which we were talking about earlier. This particular kit is a 112 SH, fits the 64 through 73 Mustangs, and it'll fit a few other Fords as well. Comes complete, ready to go, and we highly recommend it if you're running a Caltrac system for your application. If you enjoyed this video and are interested in other videos that we may do or other products that we may have, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and check us out on Instagram. Thanks again.